Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question: Total number of continents in the world: 5, 6, 7, 8. The right answer is 7 continents in the world. Total number of oceans in the world: 3, 4, 7, 12. The right answer is 4 oceans in the world. Question: Which one is the largest ocean in the world? Indian, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic. The right answer is Pacific. Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? Indian, Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic. The right answer is Arctic. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? Jordan and Sudan, Jordan and Israel, Turkey and UAE, UAE and Egypt. The right answer is Jordan and Israel. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? France, Canada, Brazil, England. The right answer is France. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? North Atlantic Ocean, Indian, Pacific, Arctic. The right answer is North Atlantic Ocean. Which country is also known as the land of the midnight sun? Greenland, Iceland, Ireland, Norway. The right answer is Norway. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Australia, Holland, Switzerland, Italy. The right answer is Switzerland. Which country is also known as the land of rising sun? Japan, New Zealand, Fiji, China. The right answer is Japan. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Iceland, Norway, Finland, Switzerland. The right answer is Finland. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? China, Bhutan, Mongolia, Thailand. The right answer is Bhutan. In which country white elephant is found? India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Malaysia. The right answer is Thailand. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Asia, Europe, North America, Africa. The right answer is Africa. Which one is the largest producer of tea in the world? China, Sri Lanka, India, Kenya. The right answer is China. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Vietnam, Brazil, Colombia, Mexico. The right answer is Brazil. In which country Suez Canal is located? UAE, Turkey, Iran, Egypt. The right answer is Egypt. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in Italy, Japan, Peru, Fiji. The right answer is Italy. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? France, England, Ireland, Belgium. The right answer is Belgium. Which country is also known as the land of tulips? Italy, Switzerland, Netherlands, Greece. The right answer is Netherlands. Which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Himalaya, Andes, Rocky Mountains, Ural Mountains. The right answer is Andes. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? 45 member, 50, 51, 75. The right answer is 51. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? Missouri River, Colorado River, Mississippi River, Yukon River. The right answer is Colorado River. Which one is the biggest island in the world? Borneo, Finland, Sumatra, Greenland. The right answer is Greenland. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in USA, Australia, Saudi Arabia, China. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? Andes, Himalaya, Karakoram, Pamir. The right answer is Pamir. In which country Yellowstone National Park is located? Russia, Canada, Brazil, USA. The right answer is USA. Which river is passing through the Paris city? Seine, Thames, Nile, Volga. The right answer is Seine. In which country the tallest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, is located? South Africa, Peru, Norway, Venezuela. The right answer is Venezuela. Emu bird is found in the country New Zealand, Japan, Australia, Thailand. The right answer is Australia. Which country has the highest number of time zones? England, France, Russia, China. The right answer is France. Which country has the most number of lakes? Canada, USA, Finland, Brazil. The right answer is Canada. Which one is the capital of Spain? Barcelona, Madrid, Seville, Lisbon. The right answer is Madrid. Only continent in the world without a desert is North America, Asia, Africa, Europe. The right answer is Europe. Which river flowing through the London city, England? River Severn, River Thames, River Severn, none of these. The right answer is River Thames. The World Bank is founded in the year 1936, 1940, 1944, 1946. The right answer is 1944. Which city is known as the city of two continents? Moscow, Sao Paulo, Istanbul, Abu Dhabi. The right answer is Istanbul. The Valley of Kings is located in the country Ethiopia, Iran, Egypt, Iraq. The right answer is Egypt.